Welcome back, America. I'm your host, Demosthenes, representing Degera Enterprises on this new day. I hope you're really excited about solar as I am, because I have a lot to offer the world. We have solar panels, we have batteries, we have inverters, we have grid tie systems, and on the bottom side we even have solar-powered fans, solar-powered lights, solar-powered toasters, even solar-powered ovens. I bet them chicken taste real good when they're cooked with a solar panel fan. But we can deep fry them, we can lay them, we can even have a solar-powered charger for your cell phones and everything. Everything you have today that you use can be redirected by the sun and make cleaner energy solutions available to them so that you can go green 100%. And some people would even go as far as going green 150%. They order so many solar panels that they make more than they use, and therefore they can actually charge them up. Now I hope you're very excited about all the things we've done in the past and all the different ways we can implement solar technology into your home. Today I'd like to make that offer and take it all the way to the final end. Present these things to you so that you can buy them for your own use. As I said earlier, there are polycrystalline, monocrystalline, and amorphous crystals, and they all have their pros and cons. Now we're going to go in and try to create a system just for you, custom designed and built from scratch, all the way to the end user, complete with full system working parts and all the components you think you need. We can build small devices like solar lights, solar fans, we can have solar-powered toasters, even solar-powered ovens. My, that finger licking chasing chicken tastes even better when it's cooked with a solar oven. We can also integrate things onto industrial systems such as automotive and cars, and on houses as well. Anything you can think of, we can do, and we can make happen. Full array of mechanical processes and manufacturing ideals. We can make plastic in any shape, any frame, aluminum, any material, and create a unique shape, and put solar technology, solar panels together, and link them together in that unique shape. Create a framework so that we can actually literally bound solar panels, solar plates onto a car frame or any kind of backbone you want. And link them together, fully wired, integrated into your inverter, into your power boxes, into your control boxes with your batteries, and have a whole working system just the way you like it. Now, if you're wondering how much this is going to cost, usually it generally can be anything you want. On the cheaper side, usually between $20 and $30 per square foot for the photovoltaic cells. And those cells can get you anywhere from 11 to 16 watts per square foot. So if you want to do the math already, that's about the bulk of it right there. Now if you want to add in batteries, any battery work, we have several different models and styles. Your more common is your lead acid or lead sodium ones that are used for cars. And just basically the same car automotive battery is just useful. This right here is a one for small ATV. But basically the same thing as a car battery, just the lead acid, lead sulfur version. There's also three others that are used in the solar market. Those are your lithium ion, just like they use in the computers, lithium ions. They have a 3-year span. They have a high energy use, high energy reactivity, but after 3 years they become unstable because it is an ion and it does re-equate itself back to the atomic form. But as I said, it has high electro efficiency and it puts a lot of energy out. There's a lot of output compared to the other models. It doesn't recharge as often as nickel metal hydride or nickel metal cadmium, but it does do its job for the 3 years it has. Now we also have nickel metal cadmium and nickel metal hydride. Two different variations of the same basic principle. The fact that nickel metal anything has a ability to regenerate or recharge a lot of times. Nickel metal hydride can recharge as many as 500 times. It's also because of nickel metal hydride. It's more environmentally friendly than the other systems. But like any nickel metal system, it has eventually will get memory effect if you don't fully charge it. But as long as you keep fully charging it, you should not see that very often. Nickel metal cadmium is a more pronounced version of the nickel metal series. It has a stronger memory system, but it can be recharged more times. I think the record right now is 1,000 recharges on a nickel metal cadmium series battery. nickel metal cadmium is usually used for small consumer electronics or for medical equipment. You see those little round barrels about the size of a quarter? Those have a tendency to be nickel metal cadmium. Now, all three could be poisonous if you use the wrong way, except for nickel metal hydride, which is the most environmentally friendly of them all. Other than that, all the three batteries, hopefully you keep them closed off and sealed up as best you possibly can. It's not an organic system. Battery and electronics are usually not organic. I'd keep the organic system for food, water, and keeping in the bodies of squirrels, but for energy systems, use inorganic stuff. Lithium ion, nickel metal hydride, cadmium, or the lead sulfur base. Whatever the price is on the market, that's the price is going to be for a solar panel as well, or solar technology as well. Basically, we add the solar panels as one point. We have the battery, we have the control boxes, we have the grid interties. The control box can be anywhere from $50 for a small one to as much as $600 to $1,000 for a large scale one. It scales according to the size of the solar panels that we're actually using. The price scales as well. We also have grid interties and inverters. Now this one right here, this small 80 watt will cost about $18. This one came with a system with 3 solar panels, but these two are about, I believe one's $60 and one's $100. I found one that goes as far as 1,000, 2,000 watts for about 100, 200 bucks. And there are some industrial systems that can get 2,500 watts or 10,000 watts that you get a couple of $1,000. And those are for really heavy industrial use. I think the record I've seen so far, for the biggest one I've seen, is one that gets 15,000 watts as an inverter. It's about $5,000. That's for like something the size of a power company would actually use. But if you are a power company, more power to you. For smaller consumers, we have smaller pieces. But we can also plug in and get you solar powered lights. I have some that is anywhere from $3 to $9 for each individual stud light. And basically you just put 2 on the sides of your walking path. They charge in the daytime, and at night they light up. And they light up for about 12 hours. And after 12 hours, well, it's morning time and they start powering up again and you don't need them. There's also solar fans. I've seen a couple of them that are about 3 feet wide. They're about $69, so you can get a couple of those, put in your attic space, and they'll keep your attic cool without even having to tap into your electricity. But basically, let me work with the system. Submit any price, any budget, and I'll come up with a system. Tell me a couple of things that you would like in your feature, like if you're going to have this for a car, tell me. If you want this for a house or for a boat, we can make solar-powered boats with marine-style batteries, and we can insulate them against the salt water. If you live in cold climates, that would be important to know. If you live in warmer climates, obviously going to be more solar part, less battery part. Please submit your budget, how much you're willing to go for, what pieces you would like, what you would like to try to do. You know, small application, like a simple car charger, or a cell phone charger, or adapter piece. If you want a motorized bicycle, we can actually build those too. Electric motorized bikes or a gas-powered solar hybrid motorized bicycle. For all questions, all comments, submit all bids to Degera Productions, Degera Productions at yahoo.com or call 352-450-1172. I'm your host, Demosthenes, and I hope to hear back from you soon.